Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how Hilltop Secondary School is successfully navigating a major change using Kotter's 8-step change model. Whether you're a leader, a teacher, or just curious about how organizations manage change, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hilltop Secondary School has traditionally operated from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Monday to Friday, and remained closed on weekends. However, a new government policy requires the school to extend its hours from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays and operate on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The challenge? No additional funding and a tight 3-month deadline. Ms. Lee, the school administrator, has taken charge of implementing this change. Let's see how she's applying Kotter's 8-step change model to make it happen. The first step is creating urgency. Ms. Lee organized a town hall meeting with staff, parents, and students to explain why the change is necessary. By highlighting the benefits, like improved academic support and extracurricular opportunities, the school gained stakeholder attention and set the stage for action. With 80% attendance at these meetings and 70% of participants understanding the need for change, Hilltop Secondary set a strong foundation. The first step focuses on building urgency for change. Hilltop's team held town hall meetings to inform parents and staff about the government directive and its benefits, like enhanced academic support. By the end of week 2, 80% of stakeholders had attended, and post-meeting surveys showed 70% understood the urgency. Next, Ms. Lee formed a guiding coalition. This team includes department heads, senior teachers, and IT specialists, key players who can drive the change. The team strategy meeting, held in week 3, assigned roles and responsibilities to ensure everyone was on the same page. Next, the school identified key leaders, including department heads and teachers, to drive the change. By week 3, the coalition was in place, representing at least 5 key departments. A strategy meeting was held, ensuring everyone was aligned on roles and responsibilities. In step 3, the team developed a clear vision. Extended hours will create more opportunities for students while supporting their overall growth. A roadmap was created covering timetable adjustments, staffing plans, and facility readiness, all finalized by week 4. A clear vision was crafted by week 4, emphasizing improved accessibility and educational outcomes. The team developed a roadmap, including timetable adjustments, staffing needs, and IT upgrades, ensuring every step was intentional and achievable. Step 4 is all about communication. Newsletters, social media updates, and in-person meetings ensured everyone understood the vision and the benefits. By week 6, 90% of stakeholders had received updates, making communication a key success factor. Communication was key. Meetings, newsletters, and social media updates ensured 90% of stakeholders were informed by week 6. Marketing reinforced the vision with consistent messaging, and 70% of participants reported feeling well-informed. In step 5, Ms. Lee addressed resistance with workshops and Q&A sessions, ensuring staff felt supported and heard. Staff training on extended hours and IT systems was completed by week 8, removing barriers and building confidence. Hilltop tackled obstacles head-on by organizing Q&A sessions and workshops to address staff concerns. By week 8, resistance had dropped by 50%, and 100% of staff had completed training for the new schedules and IT systems. By week 9, the school piloted the new hours for 1 week, gathering feedback and celebrating successes like improved student participation. With 90% of issues resolved during the pilot, Hilltop Secondary kept the momentum going. To build momentum, the school piloted the extended hours in week 9. Feedback was gathered and issues resolved before full implementation in week 10. Wins, like positive testimonials from parents and students, were celebrated to reinforce the effort's value. Step 7 is about building on wins. The school is now exploring additional programs to maximize the benefits of extended hours. By week 12, the team had drafted at least 1 new program proposal, ensuring continuous improvement. Building on the pilot's success, adjustments were made and new opportunities were explored, like after-school programs. By week 12, at least 1 proposal for expanded programs was ready for review. In the final step, Hilltop Secondary updated its policies to reflect the new hours and recognize staff efforts in a community event. Feedback surveys showed 80% satisfaction with the change, anchoring the new schedule as part of the school's culture. The final step focused on embedding the changes into Hilltop's culture. Policies and handbooks were updated by week 14, and a recognition event for staff efforts was held in week 15. Post-implementation surveys showed that 80% of stakeholders were satisfied with the transition. And that's how Hilltop Secondary School used Kotter's 8-step change model to successfully implement extended hours. What did you think of their approach? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay updated, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Follow us on social media for more content. Links are in the description. See you in the next video.